Today, I'll show you exactly how to password protect your WordPress admin and give your website an extra layer of security. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to lock down your dashboard so only trusted users can get in, making it much harder for hackers and snoops to poke around. Let's dive right in and take control of your site's safety. We'll begin inside your WordPress dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is install a security plugin to handle password protection. Head over to the Plugins section on the left sidebar, then click Add New. In the search bar, type in Password Protected. That's a popular option, or you could use a similar plugin like WPS Hide Login. These plugins are designed to make access to your site tighter and far less predictable for outsiders. Think of them like adding a sturdy lock to your front door. It's an easy but hugely effective change. Once you've chosen your plugin and clicked Install, don't forget to activate it. This is a step that's easy to miss if you're moving quickly, but activation is what actually turns on the plugin and gets it working on your site. After that, you'll see a new item appear in your menu, sometimes under Settings or as its own dedicated section. Click into those plugin settings to start configuring everything. Within the settings, look for the option to enable password protection. You'll want to turn this on and then set a strong password, something unique, not easy to guess, and ideally not used anywhere else. This password acts as a gatekeeper for your WordPress admin, and depending on your plugin's options, you can choose to lock the entire site or just specific areas. If you're thinking, wait, should I password protect the whole site? There's no right or wrong answer, but usually you want at least the admin dashboard to be protected since that's where site changes happen. For some plugins, this can also help hide sensitive content until a user logs in with the right credentials. Now, it's time to double up your security by making your login page less predictable. This is where using something like WPS Hide Login really shines. Once installed and activated, head to its settings and you'll be able to change your login URL. Instead of your domain, com/wpadmin or /wplogin, PHP, which are default addresses that bots and attackers know about, you can set a custom login path like your domain, com/mysecretlogin. Imagine instead of labeling your front door admin entrance for everyone to see, you give it a secret name only you know. This move throws off automated attacks since the usual entry points are now hidden. Next, let's set up a redirect. Most plugins let you decide what happens when someone tries to visit the old default login URLs. Setting this to a 404 error page or redirecting to your homepage ensures that intruders and bots hit a dead end, not your admin login screen. This may seem like a minor tweak, but it really cuts down on automated attacks. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's just a matter of finding the right setting in your plugin dashboard, clicking a few options, and saving your changes. And that's it. With these steps, you've seriously boosted your WordPress admin's defenses. Remember, keeping your login safe is a crucial part of website management, so pat yourself on the back for tackling this today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions about plugins or security tips, let me know in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.